Something legendary is cooking up in the blocky world of Minecraft, and it's glowing golden with Super Saiyan energy. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming updates. During the 2025 Minecraft livestream, Mojang dropped a jaw-dropping teaser that's left fans excited like a power level over 9,000. In the teaser, Shenron, the eternal dragon himself, emerged from the skies to grant a wish. His gift was the power of a Super Saiyan. The teaser showed a Minecraft player being blessed by Shenron, instantly transforming with Goku's iconic Super Saiyan hair before turning into the mighty warrior himself. It's more than a skin. It's a dream come true for Dragon Ball fans. And the best part, you can already claim the Super Saiyan hair as a free character item on the Minecraft marketplace. But don't delay the glow up, because this golden opportunity will end on November 9th. All the details about this aren't out yet, but the teaser promises that more Dragon Ball icons like Vegeta, Gohan, and Piccolo are heading to Minecraft Bedrock Edition soon. Minecraft teaming up with Dragon Ball with its epic battles, transformations, and iconic characters could be one of its most exciting crossovers yet. So if you've waited all your life, now's the time to become a Super Saiyan. So go in Kamehameha, y'all. Are you excited about this collab? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any gaming update.